Here's something that should worry you. Student loan debt in America just crossed $1.8 trillion, and for millions of borrowers, it's about to get a lot more real. Right now, 42.8 million Americans owe federal student loan debt, with the average borrower carrying $43,570 combined between federal and private loans. That makes student loans the second largest category of consumer debt in the entire country, behind only mortgages. For years, a lot of borrowers got a break. Payments were paused during the pandemic, and a program called Save let many people pay very little, sometimes nothing at all, while interest didn't pile up. But in March 2026, courts ruled the Save plan illegal. Federal loan servicers started notifying millions of borrowers this July that they have just 90 days to switch into a new repayment plan. And here's the part that catches people off guard. Collections have resumed. If your federal loan is in default, the government can now garnish your wages and seize your tax refund. As of March 2026, 7.7 million borrowers were already in default. That's roughly 11% of all federal student loan borrowers. So how did the debt get this big in the first place? A big part of it is simple math nobody explains clearly. College costs kept rising for decades, federal loans made it easy to borrow more to keep up, and interest kept compounding in the background, even during years when nobody was required to pay anything. The average bachelor's degree recipient graduates owing $29,560, but that number balloons fast for graduate and professional programs. The average law school debt is $112,500, and medical school debt averages to $123,130. A new repayment plan called RAP is set to replace the old income-driven plans by 2028, capping payments as a percentage of income over 30 years. But early analysis suggests it could actually cost some lower-income borrowers more over time, not less. So if you have student loans, or you're about to take some out, this is the moment to actually understand the fine print, because the rules just changed and the government is no longer waiting. If this helped you make sense of what's actually happening with student debt, hit subscribe for more videos breaking down the real numbers behind everyday money.